So far we have learned an introduction to the functions, but now in this video we are going to learn the functions in more depth. So without wasting any time, let's go to our computer screen and let's get started. Talking about the functions, what the functions are basically going to work, it works as a block of code which is going to perform a specific task. Like if I want to print the sum of two numbers, I can just simply run the code. I do not need to repeat the code again and again in my file. For that I can just define and reuse that function again and again. Let's go to the computer screen and then we are going to learn about the functions in depth. We have learned about the functions, how we can call the functions. Let's just quickly see here. But why do we need function? Function it increases the code reusability, modularity, and readability. If we write the function again and again, it will just reduce the readability of the user. We are going to see gmean again and again in the. It is not going to show the good practice of a good programmer. If you are a good programmer, you are going to use the functions. Now defining a function, we will write the def keyword and the function name you want to write. You can take any function name, but do not prefer to use the keywords in the function. I am also going to show you the list of the keywords. There are so many keywords in Python. See here. Python has so many keywords and you can see the list of these keywords here. Like here we are having true, def, none, and over it. You are not going to use these functions, these keywords as your name of the variable, and you can download it, but no need to learn these. You are gradually going to remember this as soon as we are going further in our series. Moving to the statement, here you have to write the statement which you want to be executed as a part of your program, and the code you want to be implemented, the operations you want to be implemented at your function, you will write in the statement. And then returning the statement is very important, otherwise it is not going to print anything. Like here, if I remove this print gmain, it is not going to work and it will not return me anything, as we are not returning in the def function. See here, it is not returning me anything as we have not commanded the compiler to return me. Moving towards the calling function, we called the function here. We will write the in the bracket, we will just simply write the name of the variable for which we want the gmain to be executed. I hope that makes sense. I can also execute this function for you. See, if I am going to execute this, I will write simply just I have defined defined a function named fun. In this I am just simply passing my statement as print welcome to GFG. Then I am calling this function. Whenever I want to call this function, like I am making my website and whenever I am changing my web page, so I want this function to be executed, so I am just simply going to call this function again and again. No need to write this whole sentence again. I am just simply running it. See, welcome to GFG. Wherever I will call this function, it is going to be executed. I think we will keep this here till here only, and in the next video we are going to solve so many questions on these functions and going to learn the different type of function also. Till now we have solved a lot of questions in functions in Python. and in the next video we are going to solve the questions regarding that. Till then you can revise these questions properly, and so we are going to learn more functions, more questions in the next video. So stay tuned and just be on time. As promised, we are going to practice the questions on HackerRank. Till then, keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.